Problems on average. Our next chapter in quantitative aptitude. Let's understand what is average. A number expressing the central or typical value in a set of data, in particular the mode, medium, or most commonly the mean, which is calculated by dividing the sum of values in the set by their number. So average equals to sum of observations by number of observations. Now let's look at some examples to understand average. First example, a family consists of 2 grandparents, 2 parents and 3 grandchildren. The average age of the grandparents is 67 years. That of the parents is 37 years and that of the grandchildren is 6 years. What is the average age of the family? The options are 28 4 by 7 years, 31 5 by 7 years, 32 1 by 7 years, or none of these. The right option is option B, 31 5 by 7 years. Let's see how. Now the total age of the family is the sum total of all family members' age. That means average age of grandparents into total number of grandparents, average age of parents into total number of parents, average age of children into total number of children. Now expressing that in numbers, we'll get 67 into 2, 35 into 2 plus 6 into 3. So average age is 67 into 2 plus 35 into 2 plus 6 into 3 divided by 2 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to the total age of the family by total number of family members. So by solving this equation, we are getting 31 5 by 7 years. Next question. A grocer has a sale of rupees 6435, rupees 6927, rupees 6855, rupees 7230 and rupees 6562 for 5 consecutive months. How much sale must he have in the 6th month so that he gets an average sale of rupees 6500? The options are rupees 4991, rupees 5991, rupees 6001 or rupees 6991. The right option is option A, rupees 4991. Let's see how. To the question, total sale for 5 months will be equal to rupees 6435 plus 6927 plus 6855 plus 7230 plus 6562. That is equal to rupees 34009. Now as given that the required average sale for 6 months will be equal to 6500, that means total sale for 6 months will be rupees 6500 into 6. So the required sale for the 6th month will be rupees 6500 into 6 minus 34009. That means total sale for 6 months minus total sale for 5 months. So by solving this equation, we'll get the answer as rupees 4991. Next question. The average of 20 numbers is 0. Of them, at the most, how many may be greater than 0? The options are 0, 1, 10 or 19. The right option is option D, 19. Let's see the explanation. Now it's given that the average of 20 numbers is 0. That means n1 plus n2 dot 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 plus n20 by 20 will be equal to 0. That means n1 plus n2 till n20 will be equal to 0. So from this equation, it's quite possible that 19 of these numbers may be positive. And if their sum is a, then 20th number might be minus a, which will give the resultant as 0. So at most 19 numbers may be greater than 0. मतलब दोस्तों आप 19th नंबर तक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स या पॉजिटिव नंबर्स ले सकते हैं, पर उन सबके रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू को 0 करने के लिए एक ही नंबर काफी है जिसका नेगेटिव वैल्यू इन सारे 19 नंबर्स के समेशन के इक्वल हो. सो द रिजल्टेंट आंसर इज 19. Next question. The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 65 kg. What might be the weight of the new person? The options are 76 kg, 76.5 kg, 85 kg, data inadequate, or none of these. The right option is option C, 85 kg. Let's see how. Now, as it is given that the average age of each person that will be increased by 2.5 kg, that means total weight increased will be 8 into 2.5 kg, that is equal to 20 kg. So the extra weight that is contributed by the new person is equal to 20 kg. So the new person's weight will be 20 kg more than 65. That is equal to 65 plus 20 kg equals to 85 kg. Next question. The captain of a cricket team of 11 members is 26 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years older. If the ages of these two are excluded, the average age of the remaining players is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. What is the average age of the team? The options are 23 years, 24 years, 25 years, or none of these. The right option is option A, 23 years. Let's see how. Now let's first understand the condition. It's given that the captain's age is 26 years and the wicket keeper is 3 years older than the captain. So the wicket keeper's age will be 29. And after that, if we exclude the captain's and the wicket keeper's age from the team, then the average age of the entire team will be reduced by 1 year. So x will become x minus 1 if we subtract 26 plus 29 from 11x. So the equation becomes 11x minus 26 plus 29 equals to 9 into x minus 1. So solving this equation, we are getting x equals to 23. So the average age of the team is 23 years. Next question. The average monthly income of P and Q is rupees 5050. The average monthly income of Q and R is rupees 6250. And the average monthly income of P and R is rupees 5200. Then the monthly income of P will be, options are rupees 3500, 4000, 4050, 5000. The right option is option B, 4000. Let's see the explanation and know how. Let P, Q and R represent their respective monthly incomes. Then we have P plus Q equals to 5050 into 2. That is equal to 10100. Let's understand this. The summation of the income of both P and Q will be the average income of P and Q into 2. So with this relation, we are getting equation 1. Similarly, putting the same relation with Q and R's income and P and R's income, we are getting equation 2 and 3. Then now we'll add all the three equations 1, 2 and 3 and we're getting 2 into P plus Q plus R equals to 33000 or P plus Q plus R equals to 16500. Now as we have to find P's income, so let's subtract equation 2 from equation 4 because equation 2 contains the value of Q plus R. And if you are subtracting it from the equation which contains P plus Q plus R, then we'll get the value of P, which gives P equals to 4000. So P's income is rupees 4000. Next question. In Arun's opinion, his weight is greater than 65 kg but less than 72 kg. His brother does not agree with Arun and he thinks that Arun's weight is greater than 60 kg but less than 70 kg. His mother's view is that his weight cannot be greater than 68 kg. Now if everyone's opinion is correct in their estimation, what is the average of different probables weight of Arun? The options are 68 kg, 67 kg, 69 kg, data inadequate, or none of these. The right option is option A, 67 kg. Let's see the explanation and know how. Let's Arun's weight be x kg. According to Arun, his weight is greater than 65 but less than 72. According to Arun's brother, his weight is greater than 60 but less than 70. and according to Arun's mother, his weight is greater than or equal to 68. So now the possible numbers which satisfy all the three conditions are 66, 67 and 68. Now to find the average age, we just need to find the average of all three numbers. That means the answer is 67 kg.